Guys, I was one command away from losing hours of my work. Then this git command saved me. You can use gitstash to save your work temporarily, and then when you're done switching or when you are going back, you can use gitpub to bring it back. Let me show you how it's done. Okay. Alright, so here's how you can use gitstash. So this is a folder, a plain folder. What I'll do is I'll just prepare a plain txt. So let me initialize this using it, and then just say this is my main folder. So I'm going to say content, right? And then I'm going to add comments, right? And then so let's say I need to switch to a different branch and create a new branch. Let me call this feature one. Right, so I switched to a new branch, and let's say I needed to add new content. So let me say new content, then content. So and then let's say I got a call that maybe from my colleague that I needed to maybe make some updates, and that means I need to like switch back to a different branch. In this case, I have a new code, or let's say a new code added to this particular file, but I don't want to commit it because maybe I'm not done with the feature implementation. So in those cases, what would I do? I'll use gitstash. What gitstash will do is that it's going to pick out the new code I added and then save it somewhere, right? And now I can switch back to the main branch, right? So I can switch back to the main branch and then add some fixes, and I call this hotfix, and then git commits. So I just fixed both in the main branch, so now I can switch back. I can switch back to that feature branch, and now if I want to continue with what I was doing, I can now say git stash pop, and that's going to bring back those new things I added, and then I can continue that code. Then now I can now commit. Yeah. Okay, I have to get that thing. Right. So yes, so that's just it. That's a simple way of how you could use gitstash to start some of your codes before switching to different branch, and once you're back, or even on that new branch, if you want to bring back those safe code, you can now do gitstash. But yeah, guys, that's just it. This saved my job once, and I believe you can save yours. Tag a Dave that only use git push. And also, drop my favorite git command in the comment section. I'd love to see them. Save this video. I believe one day it will be of help to you.